Morning everyone, I'm Tim here from Economy Glass. I'm just going to take you out today to install one of our semi-frameless shower screens over a bathtub for one of our customers out here in Truganina, just down the road. So come with me and I'll show you what we're doing down here. So we've got our client here, David, out in Truganina. So he's our first on our schedule, so all I need to do is inform him, navigate to his job. There it is there on the map app. Notify him. He's just got a message from us saying that we're 9 minutes away and we're on our way basically. So there we go, we're out. And most days I'm on my own. Most glazing jobs are generally a one-man job. If you look at them that way, a regular sort of house reglaze, a general shower installation or a mirror installation, just your smaller side of things, normally only a one-man install, so I'm generally the one man out there at a time doing the smaller jobs. This morning's job's a basic one. It's a shower screen, essentially. It's a type of shower screen that sits over a bath, which is slightly rarer than normal. It shouldn't take very long. It should be as simple as fitting a channel to a wall and riveting the shower into it. The shower is a one-piece thing. It's already pre-made and boxed, and it's a quick job. All right, here we are. We're going to remove this fixed panel shower screen and replace it with a swinging door one, so that the client here can have better access into the bath and reach the handle there while he's outside of the bath. So I'll take it out now. It's a very quick process, and yeah, we'll have it out in no time. Have to make sure it's clean enough to go in a new one. You won't be able to clean it afterwards. So this is a little bit of a challenge there, I guess. Get a new one in now. Masonry spade bit, perfect for what we do, which is drill through tiles or between grout line and tile. Strong thumb will push it in. I've still got my lines there that were indication of my laser level from before. I'll just line that up with those. I'll do that now. I'll pop it into the channel. Could be not 100% level. So once I rivet it into the wall, it'll be held up on the wall. I'm holding it there with my hand right now. As you can see, it doesn't sit completely flush on the floor on the fixed panel section. So that will be a silicone seal directly to the bath, so that doesn't move. Using this black setting block, we call this. It's just a rubber block you cut in, and it's used to wedge glass into position into frames. A multi-purpose sort of use, like it is being used right now, just to wedge that stiff. Okay, so as you can see now, we can open the door, a full pivot, and easily access all parts of the shower and the drain, everything that needs to be done that you couldn't do before as the shower was too wide. Happy with the job as it's done?
Yeah, beautiful.
There you go, and I'll check you out. Job completed. All right, I'll send you the I'll send you the invoice and we're all done.
Thank you.
Okay.
Awesome.
the happy customer.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks for that.